What's up, team? Good morning. We have a midweek update for you. Opkee investors, J6.4, and this is on our $1,200, as you can see here, our $1,200 EA Robot Auto Trader, whatever you want to call it, guys. But we do have an update on the performance. We performed it with, we're testing it. Can't get it out this morning. I don't think I'm too happy with the performance. It said that the minimum deposit was $50 a pair, so we put $100 in an account. So we're trading two pairs. So let's see how it's doing compared to what some of the expectations were. And when I say expectations, I'm using that term very loosely. I'm just showing you what it looked like with the back test and even some of their live trading accounts right here, which is over 1,000% gain. And I never get too excited about that because I classify that as so far so good, because in these speculative markets, anything can change the trajectory at any time. So let's take a look at where we are now. Wow. When I popped in last time before making this video, I had like $40 left over from my $100 investment. Look at this, guys. It is all the way down and it's continuing to add to losing positions. So we're down $80 out of the 107. It had gotten up to 107, and you see that that's still the balance. But what we want to look at is what is the equity. That's where people make mistakes whenever they're evaluating these EAs. I can care less what the balance says, but if I were to close my trades today, what would I be left over with? So if I close these trades, and I'm pretty sure that this account is blown, again, I'd rather see it being blown with a $100 account instead of spending $1,200 on the EA itself, putting $1,000 or $2,000 in, and all of a sudden this thing is blowing it. So that's where we are on this. I'm pretty sure that this is going to be blown, so we're going to reallocate these funds to another EA. So that one didn't work out. We thought this would be the conservative one, but obviously not. Again, we always take this with a grain, anything that we see in marketing, that is, with a grain of salt. Let's check out what other people are doing during our research. All right, guys, during my research, this is one of the ones that I found on my FX book that was trading this particular robot. And let's see here. Here it is. Tree Alive, high risk, high reward type of thing going on here. So let's take a look at it, see what they were doing. Right now, they're still showing a 1,200% return. Totally believe them. But this is going to tell you, are they breaking down when we're breaking down? Now, I'm going to show you a little trick that you can do. I want to try the custom analysis, and we're going to go, let's go to July of 2025, all right? So you can actually see how the performance was in the period of time that you want to take a look at. I want to see, are they fudging their results during this particular period, because I'm down. So hopefully they'll be down, at least in equity, not with balance. Let's take a look at it. We hit custom. Uh-oh. Hold on, guys. Sorry about that. Let's custom this thing again. Oh, I didn't hit analyze. That's all. Okay, let's go back to this. We're going to go July, and we're going to go 2025. And let's just start from the 1st of July, and then we're going to hit analyze. This tells you all you need to see. So the balance is already up here. As you can see, it says growth, and it's showing 5.5% growth, right? But look at what the equity is. It's a negative, so it's below. During this period, it's below, so it's transparent. So you can't be more honest than transparent trading that you can track in real time. So these guys are tracking it in real time. They're sharing it with us in real time, so I can't be too upset. Now, this may turn around and reverse since they have much more money in the account. I can't tell you that. I don't know. Let's see if we can get any more information that's important to me. Yeah, now it's not really showing where the equity is. It's just showing where the balance is. Now remember, guys, it's going to show this large balance, and a lot of these marketers, they'll fool you with that because it's going to show 5%, 5%, 5%, 5%. But we know in reality, if I were to pull all my money out, I would owe money. So it's a negative 3.6%. So just take that as a lesson. It was one of those so far so good, slow burn, but when it loses quickly. Now, am I saying that that one is off the table? Of course not. This could have been that one big hiccup. We'll probably continue to trade it with a demo account to see if it doubles our money. Anything that doubles my money, I put in protective stops right there, or I'll pull out my initial. Everyone has their own way of doing this. Um, I've just learned from the past just to say so far so good, and I've seen my accounts, well, small accounts, not large accounts, but I've seen them quadruple in size, and then I'll wake up and it's totally wiped out. So take, not a suggestion, but me, I have this thing in my head says take some of your profits, or even at least, at the very least, take out your initial investment, put it into something else, put it into some of the mutual funds. And I'm not that happy about mutual funds, but something that's more slow and steady. But most of the time, guys, I'll just take that money out and put it into something else that's high risk because this is my small account high risk portfolio. And I'll tell you, if if it totally blows, which I think it will today, I'll come back and make another video on top of that. Go out there and make some real money, guys.